Let's take a look at setting up groups from scratch. First thing to do is to head on up to the dashboard and look for the Find Groups link. That'll take you through to the Groups area. And you'll notice that at the top of the Groups area, there's a button there called Create a Group. So click on that. And that's going to take you through to 5 simple steps. The first one is to give the group a name. This should be something descriptive, obviously, so that people get a good idea of what the group's about. And then you can, good idea to also add a longer description here, so to encourage people to want to join. Click on Create the Group and you go to step 2. There are 3 kinds of groups: a public group that anyone can join at any time, a private group that is viewable by anyone, but you'll need permission from the group admin to be able to join, and a hidden group where you will not actually be able to see a group unless you're already a member. Down here at the bottom, I'm just going to choose private group. Down here at the bottom is group invitations, and that is basically setting the permissions on who can invite other members to join the group. So that could be all group members can invite other members, or group admins and mods only, or group admins only can invite other members to join the group. Click on Next Step and we'll go through to the group forum. So this is so that you can encourage discussions within the group about your kind of group topic, if you like, so that people can get straight into discussions within the group and exchange ideas. We're going to set that up. You'll notice that your group has a placeholder avatar. You can change that and personalize it by literally clicking on the button, navigating to an image on your computer. Click the Upload Image button, and then you can crop that image. JPEGs, PNGs, GIFs, they will all work in here. Crop the image, and there you have the avatar for your group. And then the final step is documents. So that's really how you can control the permissions on who is allowed to upload documents to the group, i.e. all group members can add documents, or only the administrators and moderators can upload documents to the group. So now we're finished. Your group is set up, and we can see here that the group's there. If we just quickly go back into the Find Groups area, you will now see that the new group is added to the list so that people can see that group. If we go back into the group quickly, you'll see on the right hand side there's an admin link here. You will only see that if you have created the group and if you are set up as an admin of this group. So you'll be able to kind of edit those settings. You know, if you want to change the privacy settings or the invitation settings, for instance, you can click on that and then click Save Changes. You can change your avatar if you need to. You can control members, whether they're permissions, etc. You can accept requests if people want to join the group. You will also be able to control documents, delete them, etc. if you don't think they're appropriate. Again, with forums, topics, close topics, delete topics. And if you want to close the group at the end of the day, you can delete it. Also, the most important thing is you'll notice there's only one member here of this group. So we need to add some group members, and you can send invitations by clicking on the Send Invites button, and you will then have a list of all the members in the members area. You can narrow this down. If you know the people's names, you can start typing in the name. That will bring up a short list. Click on those names and that automatically ticks the people in the list. You can also just scroll down through the list and tick people if you like. That gives you a short list of who you want to invite into the group, and click Send Invites, and that is going to send a message to people so that they can literally come and join the group. So let's see how that looks for one of these members that we've just invited. Just going to log in here as one of those other members. And if they go into Find Groups, they can see your group. If they go into the groups area of their own menu and go into invitations, they will be able to see now that you have invited them to a group, and they can accept that. And now they're a member of your group. So when they go into their groups, they will now be able to see that they're a member. They can now participate in your group. For instance, they can jump right into the forum and create a topic to get things going. Put in a message, for instance. And now there's some activity in your group from one of your group members. They can see the other group members, who they are. They can also invite people to join the group. That's the setting that we've decided to give them. And another person's added to the group. Let's have a quick look at another way to invite people to join the group. If you go back to the group, at the top there, your title, you can actually right-click that on a PC or control-click on a Mac and copy the link address. Now, if we go up to Find Users, we can do a search in here for aortic open surgery, for instance. Quick search, that narrows the field down a bit, and we can find a user in here which we think, that sounds interesting. Let's have a look at who they are. Yes, I think they'd be good to join the group. And we can send them a quick message to say, come and join our group. Just going to put in a quick subject line here and a message just to say, hi, come and join our group. And the point of the earlier stage is that we can just paste this link straight into the message here. And that will make it a lot easier for this other member to get straight in and request to join the group. So just going to click on send message. So that message goes off to the other member. And now you'll see that link we pasted in comes up as a link. If we just log out of this user now and log back in quickly as the user that we were going to, we just sent the message to. Bear with me a sec here. Just going to log back in. And now if we go into this user's messages, you'll see that the message has been received, and Anna Catheter can click on that link, go straight into the group, see that it's a private group, but she can request membership by clicking on this link here. She can drop in a quick message as well and click send request. And this has basically send a request to the admin of that group that we've just created. If we log back out and log in again as the admin, go back into the group, we will now see under admin and requests that she has sent her a request, and we can accept that. So now there we go. We've now got 3 members in the group. So good luck with creating groups and adding members.